Hallo Leute, ich rede mal jetzt ein bisschen nebenbei auf Deutsch. Ich habe das auf Englisch geschrieben. Ich will jetzt auch nicht viel zu sagen. Ich denke mal, das kann man lesen. Muss ich einen Teil dabei denken. Hi guys, I will not talk a lot because my English is not very good. So yeah, you can see and you can read what I think Stan was doing. So yeah, first side, it's about Tesla transformer. You can maybe you have some understanding of this. So if I've got something wrong, you can tell me, of course. Yeah. So first side, it's about the Earth and the resting potential. So what is the difference between the resting potential and the Earth? How we can do negative potential against the resting potential and positive voltage. So yeah, it's about swinging capacities against mass. Next, the cavity Stan was using, and you can see the identical swinging capacities against the resting potential. The resting potential is also isolated from Earth and not in this particular situation ground, so it's difference. The mass or the resting potential is in this case the resistor, or you can use anything what is a resistor like, but some small current, or I think you can reduce it to 0, so it's only the swinging between the two capacities inside the cavity. Also the pressure and the water pressure and the pressure in the water mix plus hydroxy oxy in the mix here inside has to be static. Yeah, so the dielectric barrier from the gas can also working. Next, yeah, it's like I think what he has done. You can see the swinging capacity 1 and the second, which is swinging back and forth in reference to the resting potential. This coil I haven't understand yet really good. I think it's working like both side open, and the plus potential what is swinging here goes directly only to this side, so we got B++, and on this side B+, so this potential is between difference here, so here is +10 and here is +5, and both are positive to the mass, so we are increasing voltage until, or the not wanted breakthrough arching, like yeah, no combustion inside the cavity we want, because we want only the mix from oxygen and hydrogen. Yeah, next one, I have got here the cavity. So the mix from water and gas shortens the way the electrons can go through. Yes, the capacitor between this one and this one, which are both voltage plus against ground, the gas is not, or gas is more dielectric barrier more than water, so the way the electrons can go is really shortened only between the water, so it's like going a longer way, or a really big small path. So when the swinging occurs, the voltage gets is getting higher, because the through the mix and the pressure we are getting here gets more, because the gas released gets inside, the pressure to outside gets smaller, so the water pressure from the small molecule gets to the outside less. So the pressure from the cavity gets more, but the pressure on the water mist, you can say, or fog inside the gas gets weakened. So the water molecule has gotten more space. Yeah, so the surface from the water against the gas is also important. Yeah, and this is my, I think, basic understanding what he has done. There's no, how you can say, magical wave or something. It's like only the cavities or the capacity of these two which are swinging, and the voltage is getting higher because of the change in the electric barrier. Yeah, so you can say he got a cavity where the capillary effect, so the small path is getting smaller, and yeah, so less electrons can pass. So it's swinging like you can go only like not anymore 10 but only 2, so these are swinging back to the other side. Also only 2 can go through, and all of them are related to the theoretical ground, the resistor. Yeah, that's how far I've got now. Yeah, any meanings? Yeah, maybe you can write in the comments. Yeah.